Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this replace every element with the least greater element on its right problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given an array ARR of n integers and we have to replace every element of this array with the least greater element on its right side. If there is no such element, we have to put -1. Like suppose we have an array 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 9, 5, 3, 6, 1. Okay, suppose this is the array. Then for this 6, the element that is greater than 6 is 0 number of elements, so it is minus. Now for 3, the element greater than 3, but the minimum on its right side is 6, so its answer will be 6. For 5, only 6. For 9, we does not have any element that is greater than 9, so answer will be -1. Now for 2, we have all the 4 element greater than 2, so we will take 3. Why 3? Because we have to take the least greater element, means the elements should be greater than 2 but should be least of its right side, so we will take 3 because 3 is greater than 2 but the uh, least greater as well. Okay, or other 5, 6 and 9 are greater than 3 as well, so 3 is the minimum greater element than 2 we can have on its right side. Now for 1, same, we have 2, 9, 5, 3, 6 all element, but we will take 2 because 2 means 2 is the element that is greater than 1 but it is the minimum on its right side. Okay guys. Okay guys, so like this we will do. So how we will do? So for till now you got a problem for a particular ith element. We want all our remaining element from I plus 1 to n minus 1 index, from I plus 1 to n minus 1, where n is the size of our array, all the index in sorted order. Why sorted order? So you can use upper bound, lower bound, or some kind of binary search, so that you will find the number greater than I and the minimum number greater than I. Okay guys, so we can take a set. Now what is set will do? Set will take my number in a sorted order. Okay, set will take my number in a sorted order. Then I will use upper bound. Then I will use upper bound. Okay, you can read about it on GFG, but what is upper bound do? For a particular index x, it will return us the pointer of a number which has value greater than x. Like I am taken this example. Okay. So this is our if you do manually by running a n square loop, this is using set. Okay. So now, so this is my set. Set will store number in sorted order. Now for 6 we have empty set, so -1 means it will represent us the number greater than 6 will represent the end of if our set is empty, or if we don't have any number greater than like here if 9, our set will contain 3, 5, 6, but we don't have any number greater than 9, so it will represent us, it will give us the pointer of end element, means the end of the set. So for 6 it will return end of the set, so -1. Now for 3, and we will push back 6 in my set, we will push back 6 in my set. Now for 3 we will see number greater than if we will call upper bound of 3, then it will return me the pointer of 6, because 6 is the number which is greater than 3 and the minimum in the set. So I will take 6 here and I will gonna push back 3. Now you can see 3 will insert before 6. Why? Because set will contain my number in sorted order, and if suppose if 1 lakh times 3 comes, then it will contain only one occurrence, so our time complexity will always remain log or log number of different element. Okay, and into our time complexity for each element and into log k. Now what is log k? The number of different element, like suppose if we have something like 133 up to 1000 time, then for each 3 our set will look like 1 comma 3 after doing all the operations. Suppose our size is 1001, where 1 contain 1 time and this 3 contain 3 agar 1000 time, then our set have size only 2, means it will contain only 2 element 1 and 3, it will contain only single occurrence of 3 in sorted order. Okay guys, now for 3 it will okay. For 6 now I will insert 3. Now for 5, I will look the number greater than 5 but minimum 6. Now I will want to insert 5, so I need to insert we need to insert 5. So 5 will insert between 3 and 6. So you can see always in sorted order our set will remain. So for 9 we can see there is no element greater than 9. So it will return us the AND. If AND it return means we does not have any element greater than current element. So it is -1. Now we will insert 9. Now for 2 the number greater than 2 but minimum is 3. So it will contain 3. Now for and we will gonna to insert 2. Now for 1 similarly minimum number greater than 1 but minimum is 2. And now we are gonna to insert 1. So we can see our element 2 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 6 6 minus 1 6 6 minus 1 is same 1 to 9 5 3 6. We are just gonna to try run it. 1 to 9 5 3 6. Okay, 1 to 9 5 3 6. Is our output it correct or not? Okay, 2 3 minus 1 6 6 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 6 6. Okay, so correct output it is given to us. So how we will do it? We will take a set and we will take a vector int of answer I, and we will traverse a loop from AND. Why AND? Because we have to take the account of right side element. So we will take a count of 6. We will take all element, insert like insert 6 means all right element is in my set. Now I will count for 3, then insert 3 in my means all count of this is contained by set. Okay, so I will move one by one and all count of particular right element will handle with my set. Okay, this is what I am gonna to do. Now auto x, why auto? Because it will return us the address or the pointer as set name dot upper bound of vi means the number greater than vi but the minimum in my set. If x is equal to s dot n means I does not have any number greater than x, so answer I will become -1 means it does not have any element. And else while if I have, then I will answer I is equal to star I. What is star I? X is a pointer, and if I put out star I, then it will give like if set return me 342, then it will return its pointer. Pointer means some kind of address. If we write a star in front of it, then it will point to me 3. Okay, x point to its address, star x point to value. Okay, so I hope you understand. Then I will insert ith element in my set so that all the right element count will handle with my set. So guys, you can see all the 104 problem, all the 104 test cases pass it out. I hope you all understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then please comment out. I upload daily problem of the solution, so please check out my channel for more this type of videos. If you have any doubt, please comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.